What is the priority of a purchase money security interest holder in collateral that is inventory? So the secured party lends money to the debtor and it's secured by the collateral, which is inventory for sale by the debtor. So what is the priority of the secured party who has provided the purchase money to purchase that collateral, who holds a purchase money security interest? As we've previously discussed, a purchase money security interest has priority over other security interests, but there are special rules that apply with regard to collateral because collateral is rolling in nature. So if there are existing secured parties who have perfected a security interest in a debtor's collateral, then once the inventory is sold and new collateral comes in, that's definitely a conflict, an issue as to who has priority in that new property coming in. So in order for a lender to have priority in collateral in that way, for them to perfect their security interest and have priority above any conflicting security interest, they have to do a few things. First, they have to perfect their security interest or have a perfected security interest at the time before the debtor possesses the inventory, before it comes into the possession of the debtor. So this means that the secured party has to already have provided value to the debtor to purchase the inventory, and they have to already have a security interest, a security agreement attaching a security interest in the collateral, and they have to already have received authorization to file a financing statement. So this is first steps. Basically, before it comes into the possession of the debtor, they have to have a perfected security interest. Second, they have to have given notice to all creditors holding any conflicting security interest. And they have to do this again prior to the debtor receiving possession of the inventory. So they would have to send authenticated notice. And this has to happen within 5 years of the debtor receiving the property. So you can't do this long-term filing that eventually will happen. It has to be, again, you give the authenticated notice. And 3, you have to adequately describe the purchase money security interest collateral. You have to give these third parties notice that the collateral that they are going to acquire is a specific type, that you provided the money for it, and that you plan to take this security interest in it. And if all of those conditions are met, the purchase money security interest in the collateral is perfected and has priority over any conflicting security interest, as well as priority in any proceeds. Okay, so from the sale of the collateral, any proceeds that come in, particularly when these proceeds are used to purchase new collateral.